FatLifestyle.com.
Oh man, it's a great event. It's a great event overall. Like, I think it's great for the sport of boxing where all the fans can come to meet their favorite fighters, you know, get an autographed glove, get a picture, rub shoulders with their favorite fighters, and you know, just at the end of the day, it's all about the fans.
It's cool to be out here, see all the fans, man, see all the love and everything. A lot of support, man. This is big, man. This is good for boxing.
Love it, man. You guys, you outdid yourself this year, man. Hopefully it'll be even bigger next year. I think that we're already on the right track. I'm having fun. I haven't been here long at all.
I love the expo, man. You know, give the fans an opportunity to come out, meet the fighters they see on TV. You know, we got fans from everywhere, man. All across the world, UK, you name it, Dallas, you name it, they're from everywhere. Scotland, I met a guy from Scotland. Unreal. He said he came just to come to the expo to meet the champions out that were coming out. So, you know, all the fans, if you ain't came out, you ain't been out here, man, it's a great event. You know, first hand in hand, you get to meet celebrities, you get to meet the best boxing guys out here, world champions, former world champions, legends in the sport. We all here, man. This is a good cause, it's great, man. I love it.
FanExpo.com. I'm with the only hitman in the world, Tommy, the legend, Hearns. You know, he won, the terrible one, Terry Norris. Showtime, Sean Porter, Ruslan Provatnikov, Joel Casamayor, Ray Boom Boom Mancini, baby, Mike McCollum, the body snatcher, Mia, the knockout St. John. The only guy who can light out this whole place. James Toney, the legend. Harold Ford, one time, the only time. That's right. Thurman, right here, Keith Thurman. Sergio Martinez, Feroz, Fernando Vargas. Talk to me about your brand, because the expo is about branding.
Yes, sir.
And that's what I keep educating the fighters about. Tell me about your brand.
You know, I just felt like the greatest athletes had a brand. You know, Michael Jordan, all the greatest athletes have a big brand. So when I came with the DSG brand, I want people to remember the DSG brand for Danny Garcia being great and being a great champion. And that's why I made the line so people can wear it proud.
So I know you got a book. Tell us about your book, where we can find it.
You can find it on, you can go on my webcom, RayBoomBoomMancini.com. You go on Amazon.com. You go on HeartsOfNoble.com. It's available a lot of places.
And he's got a great story. Tell them about your brand, where they can get it.
Well, you know
what it's all about.
Hey, you know you can pick up my stuff. This is the TV, man. TV right here, Tim Bradley. You can pick it up online at TimBradleyTV.com. Selling all my gear, shirts, everything right here, socks, from shirts, socks. We're selling it all, man.
We have world champion cardio boxing. It was a class that was established for our foundation, the final fight. So every year we'll be fighting for different charities. We'll fight a number of rounds, and we're just going to keep it going. It's also been great therapeutic for him after boxing. Everybody in Hollywood loves to come out and work out with us.
We don't like a man, we like a girl. Guys, I just want to say one thing. Next year, Roberto, next year, we're going to have Sugar Ray Leonard, Thomas Hearn, Roberto Duran, and I'm coming out for Marvin Hagler. We're going to have the Fab Four at the Expo.
You know, thank y'all for coming out.